Hi everyone, it's Ange here from Teach Fun Oz. So today what I wanted to show you is a quick easy way to make changes to the background of a slide in PowerPoint. So if you right click just on the back here, you'll see Format Background. When you click on that one, the sidebar here will come up. If you want a picture, you'll select this one here. There's other options as well, so you could do the solid fill and go down here and do the colour that you like. If you want to do more colours, you can click on this one here and choose any of these colours. If you know an actual number for a colour, you can also type that in up here in the search. And if you want to choose a colour that's already on a screen somewhere, you can click on this little dropper. So as you can see, I'll come over here. If I want to make that background colour the same as one of these images here, I might just choose that colour there. I'll just click and there's the colour there without me having to guess on the slider here. And then I click OK and there it is. And if I want to make the change with the colour of the text as well, I can click on the text options, go down to solid fill and the colour here. So the colour I've just recently used is there, but if it wasn't, again, I could go on there, click the little dropper and do that one there so that this text is exactly matching. So that's great if you're not using preset colours that are already there. You can choose your own to match exactly. Now if we don't want solid fill, the other option is a gradient fill. So you can see that's for the text there, or you can click on that one to a gradient fill for there and you can change the colours. So if we want the purple, that's the kind of effect you can get there, and you can add more than one colour. You can change the direction of it. And there's some preset ones as well. If you want to add, we'll do the pattern next, the same colour but in any of these patterns. That's a nice quick easy way to do a different background. You can click on here and maybe pop a different colour with it. So let's do a bit of purple with green. You can check out all the different options there. But the main thing I wanted to show you today was the picture or texture fill. So firstly, on PowerPoint, you already have some texture designs to choose from. So if you click on picture or texture fill, go down to texture, click on this box here. There's a few quick, easy options if you just want something like that. But if you want something a little bit more unique, which I do, I'm going to still have it on picture or texture fill, click on insert, and as you can see I've already got some of these images from BKB resources and I've purchased a commercial license for those to use them. So the colour I might do is this yellow one. I'll insert that. Now you can see that's now as the background. It's been inserted. But the effect I want is like this one here where it's duplicated like tiles all over the background. So to get that effect with any piece of clip art that's just a single image, I can click on Tile Picture as Texture and you can see there's all the tiles. If you like that, you can keep it as is, but I found with this particular image it didn't tile symmetrically, so I'd prefer to move it over to the left a little bit. So if you have a look here, offset X, so the X axis is going horizontally, the Y axis is going vertically. So to move it offset on the horizontal, I'll do offset X. If I keep clicking here, you'll see it's gradually moving over to one direction. And if you go too far, that's no worries, you can click it back like that. So I'll go right over so it looks like it's around about in the middle. And I'll just go back one, there we go. So that's looking pretty good. If you wanted to move it up or down a bit, you can offset the Y. So I'll do that now to show you how you can go up or I can go back down. I might just leave it like that. And there's a few other options there as well. So that's how you change that. Now what I'll do is change my text, highlight the text, click on text options up the top here, and this time I want to click on the solid fill, click on here, none of these existing ones, even though I could use that yellow if I wanted to, a standard colour, but to get it exact, I'm going to click on more colours, click on the little eyedropper, could go with the light colour or I could go with the dark colour. I think I might go with the light colour. So click on that one and there it is. Now you'll notice that I don't just have the colour for the letters, I also have an outline there. So on these ones it's just the colour. On this one, when I had the light yellow, I found that without the line it looked like this, and I just wanted to give it a little bit more emphasis around it like that one. So to do that, I've highlighted here, then I've gone to text options and keep the solid fill, but down here to the text outline, which is sometimes collapsed, just open that up, click on solid line, and I'll just check that's black. And there we have it. So I have just inserted clip art and used the tile effect, adjusted it to make it symmetrical and embedded as the background there. Then I've added the text box here and shown you how to change the colour and outline it and use the little eyedropper to get an exact match for whatever picture you're using in the background. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, let me know in the comments. Thanks for listening.